Smoke billowed from a fire aboard the USS Bonhomme Richard at the San Diego Naval Base on Sunday. A post from a U.S. Navy Twitter account said 18 sailors were taken to hospitals after suffering, quote, non-life-threatening injuries. Firefighters responded to a 3-alarm blaze on the 844-foot amphibious assault ship. Aerial footage showed emergency crews in boats spraying the burning military vessel with hoses. A spokesperson for the Navy Region Southwest told the Union-Tribune newspaper the location of the fire and its cause were unknown. According to the Navy, 160 sailors were on board. All were evacuated and are accounted for. A representative for the Navy Region Southwest did not immediately return a request for comment.